Oh, Captain, my Captain!
Don't kill me
You
too.
really think that?
How do
I
you use
haven't
this
told you how
stupid
to
stick?
use it. Okay. Well, I didn't tell you how to use it yet, Max. But so
Don't use
first
it
of
on
all,
M2's house, or else
but
I will give you the
don't do
biggest
it on
fine of your
M2's
life.
house. That'll be.
But I want to use it on him too.
Don't you
He has
dare.
wood planks all over. Do you want his house here?
I just.
Okay.
I
Ah.
have cows.
Oh no, he's awake! Oh no!
He's
He's alive! Run!
To be careful, Mr. I'm trying to kill you.
I'm not.
I
No,
know.
no,
He's trying to kill you that
no,
lightning
I
bolt.
wouldn't
didn't tell him
kill.
how to use it
I
yet.
wouldn't kill. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Oh!
Okay.
Nice,
downtown.
nice shooting, Tex.
Okay, so-
What do you think of the gun?
Alright, Max. Let me go into like a faraway
This is
distance.
nice.
Oh, is it
like,
gonna be green? Is it gonna be these multicolors or just?
I'll show you how to use it.
Tyler,
I haven't decided yet.
Tyler, just say it. How do you
Which
use
color
it?
do you like best?
I'm sorry.
How do you use?
Go
Just
with the
say it.
orange
Just
and
say
these
how do
dark.
you use it.
Okay,
Colors.
so
Get rid of the red and the green.
basically you point out like, so you aim at anywhere like you want, like
I
with the
haven't even
camera,
stopped
and
on
then
my
to
first video.
to shoot the lightning bolt, you
Oh,
have
you need
to
to go.
press the drop button. You know, like when you drop items like this. You do that.
Now,
and
does it
kinda
disappear
hits
after one
something.
use, or is it multi-use?
Yeah, it's a one-time use.
All right.
Trey, what's your luck of the sea rating on that pole?
If your house burns down on the bombs and coal, it's not fun.
I just have a giant half of my house missing. That's
Okay,
where I
good.
live. Who was that?
Keep it and probably combine it with some other bows.
Caesar?
That's why you gotta combine it.
Oh, hi. I didn't even know you're here. Oh no, I gotta turn you up. I can't hear you with Jack. There you are. There you go. Now I can hear you.
I've been here longer than you have in this grid.
Oh,
Technically, he's right.
thank you, Tyler. I technically already knew that. Wait, Tyler, where's Deadly?
He's cooking with a friend of ours.
Oh,
Or
of
hanging
course,
out.
Trey,
Is
we
he-
should name all of Cody's cows.
Oh!
Then you feel guilty when you kill
Where's Cody's cows?
We'll make him feel guilty.
It's like you guys want me to feel bad for trying to get.
What I've been meaning to ask, what's with the cow?
I keep getting bit by the
Oh, your
stick of
profile
break.
pic is a
Are
cow.
you?
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
Tyler up there.
No, I mean,
This
no, I'm not
stupid-
complaining. I mean,
I'm
it's just
trying to get wood. You fat loser.
Yeah, the sticking skybird rat. Oh, I got one. I got some membrane. Can you?
membrane.
If they can just calm down for a minute, I can take them out. But I need them to stop lying so much.
Oh, look, an Enderman. Fight me, loser. But you can't kill me.
I got another one. Dropping like flies and keeping the night sky safe, gentlemen.
If,
Oh, I got
like,
another
the night
one. Oh,
skies
my
are
goodness.
shooting Stars. I could do really wish right now. A wish right now. A wish right now.
No.
Oh, he couldn't kill me because I'm cool. Guys, I got the rarest block in the game.
Oh, what is it?
The grass block.
Oh, I already have one of those.
No, you idiot. That the dirt block is the most rarest one. That's the second hardest.
Tyler, I texted you a question about the stick. Can you answer it, please?
Oh,
Is the stick better than bacon? That's the question.
No, probably not, because
Wow.
bacon tastes better.
Power 4. What is
Bless your soul!
Thank you.
That
Max,
might be the
if you
first
think
silk touch
about
we
making
found. That's really
copies
good.
of that lightning bolt, it won't work because I make the name complicated.
I keep sinking in the mud.
You can sink in mud?
Well, that happens to me all the time.
Then technically, would it make it quicksand?
Well, I can take away the mud.
Hmm.
It's just the river.
I heard that you can't really die in quicksand. Like you can't really fully sink.
It's not.
Are you sure about that?
Oh,
Yeah, like unlike in the movies, yeah, where the second you get in quicksand, you're just doomed. But apparently that's not how it works.
Doesn't that kind of depend on how deep it is? How deep the hole is?
Yes, it depends on how deep the quicksand is.
What if you were a midget?
You're dead.
What if you were a midget?
There's no hope for you.
I take offense to that because I'm the smallest here.
How tall are you?
How are you?
I'm like a 5 something.
5 something.
What?
A 5'6", I
You ain't
5'6".
5'6". There's no way you're 5'6".
think. Okay, never. Okay, yeah.
you
you
lying
can say
sack!
you're
I've seen you
5'10".
stand next to
I thought you were
Deadly.
5'10", because that's my height.
Wait. What do you say?
Your license. Oh wait, look. Man, look at your ID.
Tyler, I sent you another message about the stick.
Oh.
I'm not taller than Tyler.
Tyler should be 5'10" from what I remember. 5'10" is only average, guys. At least you get to be a king, am I right?
I'm always the king.
And two, would you rather see the neighborhood or the landscape?
I'd probably see the neighborhood because there's always gonna be some rat neighbor that's gonna try to rob me or something. Probably keep an eye on the
Laughs
neighborhood.
like he's guilty.
Yeah, trust
Hey,
no
no,
one.
I'm
Not
laughing
even
because
yourself.
it's. Shut up.
Put a window looking right towards Mr. M's house.
Yes, you know what? You know what? I'd like to. You know what? I'm gonna make my own. I want to see him too.
You get to see
How
everybody.
much wool does everyone have? I want to pay them to give me those.
I don't know how much will I have. 5's a V, 4 is an IV, so 4.
That's 4.
And there's no 6. You should. That would be really good. And put some unbreaking or
Anyone
mending
got
on
any
it.
wool, please?
Yeah, let me check.
Why are there so many
I got
birds?
7 pieces of white wool, 1 piece of brown wool, 1 piece
Tyler.
of gray wool. Let's see.
How much do you want for the...
Tyler, you're asking that question. Well, maybe it's because they don't like your
You can have it for free. You come over here, I'll give it to you.
Cody, were you just sharing my
Oh,
sheep?
This is the birdhouse.
Alright, there you are.
Cody, you freaking freeloading turdwad! I'm taking a dump in your
You
house.
said I could. You even offered to make me a shears.
That was yesterday.
And who's killing my cows? Why are they dying?
I'm
Guys,
hungry.
over here.
Work me, boy. Trace fishing off my house. There's a lot of fish off of some crack on my house too. Oh yeah, there's a little fishing spot back here. I like this. This is nice.
And I'm out of...
Yeah, the old man to sea after that shark ate my fish. I just wanted to see.
My shark ate my homework.
Tyler, I hate that you said that because I was very close of saying that as well. No, you're gonna have to fish. You're not allowed to read.
Out of the water instead
Tyler, will you go
I
make
just
an
realized-
arena?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Will
Saddle.
you go make an arena where we can do the mob game?
36 white
Yeah, like
wool.
Tyler, make an area where you got like
Make a giant bowl.
automatic door that you can spawn a bunch of mobs behind, and then let them into wherever we are.
Oh, okay then.
And
Something.
don't do it with invisible flame.
Okay, let's see. Which place should I build it?
Been
They'll
a
build on
good
one of the
distance
mountaintops
away.
nearby.
Okay.
Oh, bull.
Is there any?
Can I check your house see if you have any wool?
Is there any some ref sheets you could send me of the building? Of what you want it to look like?
Oh, it doesn't need to be a
Doesn't matter.
building, just a place to fight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that'd be fancy.
We got some shoes. Got some Jordans.
Ah, yes! You have one piece! Yes! Get out of here, Mr. M.
What do you mean? I wasn't in
Have
there.
you used
Get
your
out.
thing yet, Mr. M?
Huh?
Have you used your thing yet?
What thing?
The thing Tyler gave you.
Oh no, why?
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna save it for some mini
Oh, I got a
game?
bow.
I'm gonna save it for a
Strike
rainy
zone.
day. Wait, hold on a quick tick.
Unbreaking
M1, how'd you make this floating ladder?
Oh, we did that?
The floating ladder up here.
Oh, it's a
super
barrier block.
Oh,
It's
it's
a
the
jet
invisible block, ain't it?
Yeah.
This is the only good fishing spot because you guaranteed to not sink your cork in the mud.
It's a good thing I decided to put some clay in
M1,
there.
I'm
you.
sorry. Could you find me a spot
you
to
crying?
build it because
Oh, hello.
I'm fishing out of the same hole over
Do you
here.
guys come here often?
Let's go use that cave we
I
used
live
last
here.
time.
Ah, really? Welcome to the neighborhood.
you want me to put it on top of the mine shaft there?
It actually gets a little confusing. All the bubbles are going
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah, you can put it on
Where?
that mountain. That's fine.
Okay.
Put it somewhere
Oh,
we can have
instead of arena, can I build like a boss tower or like a tower like build
Yeah, you can
enemies
build
and
a
stuff?
tower. We just need somewhere for them to fight and have mobs.
Oh, okay then.
Oh, this is a
Welcome
hot
spawn
race.
pillager stuff. Oh, what'd you get, Mr. Brown?
Hi.
I got Curse of Vanishing.
There's no grass over there. Where are you going?
That's okay, we can't really die.
True. That's all it has, though, so it's just useless.
Eat. Thank you. Give me your wool.
Okay,
What?
so do you like your house? You missing anything?
Oh, I got a book just now, let's see.
Another
Projectile
one.
protection 4. That's pretty good. Let me back off and take a look at this house. We gotta fix where Trey's standing. Maybe.
Every time when I throw a lightning bolt, I always say sorry, just let it sound like I
No, that's the
farted or
bridge,
something.
Staggy.
Oh, it just sags in a little bit. Yeah, I like it.
You're so polite, Tyler.
Let me see what we got here. Does it have it upstairs? No. Does it have it downstairs?
I was
This
gonna go
place is
upstairs.
tiny. I will say, where am I gonna put all my stuff?
In
Okay,
the attic?
I can make it bigger.
I just need, like, there's not enough room to do anything in here. If I could just have a little more room. Maybe, come over to the back side and one, where I am.
If I added a basement.
There's
Wait,
water.
I got it. I'll add a basement.
Build off this side. See right here, Ryan?
Yeah.
Just build off here. Put a shed out
Leave
here.
him alone. I'm following him. Fine.
It doesn't have to be connected to the house. It'll be a little shed. But I just want room for chests.
Want me to put treasures into the castle, the tower?
No, we don't need treasure.
Oh, okay then.
All we need is an arena for them to fight in.
Snowcombs, can I pay you for 5 pieces of white wool?
To do what?
I need it to get a house upgrade. I don't want to go around this stupid.
Cody, go look through my house.
Well,
I just caught, Cody, I just got a piece of brown wool. I just caught it.
we can donate it.
Yeah, I'll donate that.
1 piece of white wool for this house. Ah, yes. Perfect. Now I need 4.
That's a good start, though, Trey, if it's got mending.
Hey, mending's great for
You know, I
anything.
just realized, M1, that you and I are the only youngest siblings that are gods, and our littlest siblings are mortals.
Where is
Okay,
that
you know what? I
snake?
think we need to make Tyler mortal for a little while just so he can get off his high horse.
No, he needs to
Well,
be.
good luck
He
with
needs
that,
to
because
turn
I have a
off.
lot
He
of
needs to
superstars
not be the
that
horse.
wanna test me out.
I could just kill
Let
you.
me
with
see.
the
Nookums
neighborhood
can
horse.
kill you. How about that?
We're not gods, Tyler.
Keep
We're
inventory on.
members of this neighborhood government.
Nookums can turn that right off.
Here, let me see. Let me see. I'm not a god. I wonder if I can do anything to Tyler. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. Where's Godler Moto at?
You fool. You know I
You
still
fool.
have the invincibility star on me.
You're in visitor mode. so
Ooh,
you can-
I got
Oh,
a
wait.
bow. I got
Nothing.
power 3, punch 1,
Oh yeah,
infinity.
you're right.
Hey, no comes, please. What do I need for the thing?
Did I hear an explosion just now? Wait, no, behind Mr. Room,
Well,
there is
yeah,
a rat lodged in my
You
ceiling.
want to
Hello, how's it going?
competition, or do you want to?
I want.
I like this shed.
I'm sorry,
This
everyone.
shit.
Looks like I can't build the arenas.
Yeah, Godler Moto, something happened to him. I don't know. Really weird.
Look, I forgot.
I think we can do. The game and the thing. While Tyler's doing that, you can. I just want to basically level.
Tyler not building anything right now, Cody.
Oh,
I was somewhat hoping you'd take his flight and make him immortal, so he drops, and then you just say Tyler died.
If you put me back in, operator, I'll give you one superstar. Is that fine?
I don't need your stupid star.
Oh!
Striking back for all the mortals down.
I got flame on a bow!
hey man,
I got flame!
what? Beautiful. Good job, Cody. You get a free house. I mean, not free. Oh, paid.
You get a free home, I mean a paid
I'll
home.
put you back on so you can do your
I need.
One
And
emerald.
don't ever abuse your power again!
2 stacks of wood blocks.
What happened, Max?
I don't know, what's happening with you?
Also wool.
Oh, that wasn't my pole.
Wood.
Yep, sorry. That was mine.
Yeah. Not very
The
good.
way I just says like, you fool, you didn't really think that did something like an anime villain, just like, oh, I've already won. And just like, what? Nani?
Do you want to go back in the toilet?
Do you want to go back in visitor mode?
No, I'm saying just like that moment, I sound like an anime
It's like that scene in The
There's-
Cat in the Hat.
You very well could be an anime villain. I don't know.
No, he is. Remember from Layton? He's the big nose guy.
All I remember is going
Donatello.
the way he talks.
And we didn't get really anything to say.
I really want to go back to Layton. Can we please go back to Layton sometime?
Yes, we can do that. Friday maybe, because I have that movie I want to show y'all.
Yes, I forgot. I still want to see the Layton movie.
It'd be nice to see it instead of the cruddy cutscene quality from the DS,
The low res quality, the MP,
140p or whatever.
the FMV
Here,
cutscene.
hold on. I gotta put these fish back.
He's just littered in my yard.
They're fish. They need to go back. Well, see, he's littering.
Okay, try. Quit just throwing stuff in my yard.
There. Oh!
Cody doesn't know what he's talking about.
Oh my sweet.
I got a
Oh,
bow. Let's see what it is.
I got a book.
Sheep,
I'm
get your
breaking
big
free,
rear off
flame
my
power
wheat
3.
farm.
Not bad.
M2, I got a big book.
What'd you get?
Projectile protection 4, sharpness 3, knockback 2, quick charge 1.
That's pretty good. You know, projectile protection is pretty good with all these stupid skeletons.
Why is this still night? Oh my gosh.
Because someone hasn't turned it back, Nookums.
Oh, somebody got a book just now.
That is Trey.
Wait, the night is turned off. The day cycle is turned off.
We're having server error.
a long server error. It looks like people aren't working to fix that.
You sure it's not a setting by
I
accident?
think it's a mental error.
Okay, we have a 20-minute warning.
I don't think I ever
Oh!
came across that.
Guys, we've been here 2 hours almost.
I've been here only 1 hour.
Oh, you should have come on time. I've been here 2 hours.
Good for you.
I want to play more Minecraft.
Oh,
I
someone
have so
turned
much
off.
ideas.
Someone turned off due
But
day
I want an
cycle.
enchantment table in this world.
That's why. That's why it wasn't.
Tyler, back away from your mic.
Someone.
No, we don't.
Sorry.
Do we?
Yeah, Tyler, I know this may be a shock, but anyone did that.
Why?
Because she's Nookums.
The server error!
I want to win this one, but I want to be
You
stronger.
think you
This
actually have server error?
I got a book. Let's see
Oh, what is it?
working so hard again.
I got
Here.
density 4. What in the world is density? I've never seen that enchantment.
Hey Siri,
Yeah.
what is density in Minecraft?
Yeah.
M2, it is a measure of how much a block or item weighs.
Enchantment table.
What could that be used for?
Can't. I literally can't. That's illegal.
Trey's like, I don't care what's illegal. Did I say that out loud?
I do not have room for a full enchantment.
Yes, you do.
Oh have you seen my house?
Yes, I've taken for. I mean, I've been in it.
Woo! Man, my house is
Taking
actually
my
pretty
stuff,
big
you
now that I've got
moocher?
this
I
amazing...
would
Come on, can I
never.
put my chest in here, or is it done?
Yeah, you can.
Wait, hold
There's
on.
a shed.
Back it up, Cody. Calling the kettle black. You took my wool from my sheep.
It was one block of wool.
You took it, you mooch.
Oh, silly mooch.
You scoundrel.
Max, if you gotta waste one lightning bolt for one wall, that'll.
Don't worry, it will happen least expect it, or I'll be an idiot and just do it.
Can I have
I mean, you
a
could-
wall? Oh.
There's no room there either.
M2, I have a gift for your house.
Oh, no, it's fine. I'm just gonna stack my chest on the floor.
Wait for everyone to
Dump all my crap.
do it.
I'm sorry, I'm just finishing everything.
That's right, you snooze, you lose, guys.
No one's polluting the river.
No, they're swimming, Cody.
Ah, oh,
I
shit.
think it's Trey.
Wait! I just realized I could do this.
I
Because you're
heard
the
you
one who
did
did
read.
it.
I don't know.
I am putting them back in the ocean to
You-
breathe.
He did.
Liquid. Lies. I say lies.
Oh.
That's really all the leather I had. I thought I had more somewhere. So,
How many do you need?
a lot.
Yeah, we fishermen have a lot of leather.
I'll pay. Well, how much you have?
I'd like your house.
I don't know. I don't know. I have to go see.
You're not
So-
taking my house.
Deal
Move it
or
in.
no deal?
Deal or deal with it?
That's a terrible deal for me.
Then you go get no leather.
Good. I don't want it.
And I have 64 stack.
Now,
Not
what?
enough for a house trade. That's
I get a lot of animals.
Since you're not stingy and greedy, who do you have?
Dude, I got a flame bow.
If you want changes later, M2, tell me.
No, I'm sure it's fine.
I like it. It looks nice.
Okay, Cody wants a basement,
I
right?
love how you give it cobwebs like it's
Wait a
been
second, Cody,
abandoned.
I'm trying to find my sticking chest. Where'd these guys go? That's a problem.
That's a problem. Bless your soul.
Oh, there they are.
Honestly, you can just make it like a ladder that just goes.
What is level 3? No, 2. We're gonna be next.
for a full.
M1, what can I give you for an anvil?
You could make it.
That's what I had
We
to do
don't
with it.
sell
Can
it.
I pay for one?
I'll make you a deal, Mr. M.
That is
Mine's
great.
a stack of 64 iron for your stack of leather.
So, Cody, there's a ton of coal down here. Do you want it?
Yeah.
You
So,
don't want it?
would you like that deal, Mr. M?
Okay. Okay, deal.
Okay.
Sorry,
Let me see
Mr.
the
Wilson.
leather
Now we
first.
don't have
Alright.
those type of deals.
I think I've only got 15 leather.
Show me the dough.
Alright, come to my tree house. Come to my home.
I'm right here.
Hold on, I'm doing organization. My brain's gone to mush.
Oosh.
Okay, punch, and brain. Infinity.
Blocks, come on.
Oh, my brain is going mush. Okay, and then that. Okay.
Is this too much to ask?
Alright, here it is. Let me see your iron.
Some shady deal going on.
Alright. On the count of 3, we'll put our stuff in the box and then we'll switch. Alright?
Okay.
3, 2,
Not place
1.
blocks. What do you mean?
I want to see if there's 64 leather. I have 64 iron. I will give it to you if you actually have 64 leather.
I'm gonna go with probably not.
Alright, fine. You want to see it?
Because I'm not going to get with this.
Yeah.
7! Really?
Wow, who would have thought? Who could have
I'm
foreseen
outta
that?
No, wait. Give me
Clear on
your
what you
stuff.
No.
Come on, man. I'll give you
No,
this
it's
good
sank.
leather.
I think it's under the house. Emma, where'd the anvil go?
You don't want my leather, boy?
Oh, okay. Look
Why
around
was
there, Trey. I
7
don't know.
leather?
Give me.
I wanted 64
Give
leather.
me,
Yeah,
give me food.
Cheated.
Give me.
No.
Give me.
Yeah.
Give me a deal.
Fish for some
Thank you for the
leather.
house.
I'll give you
Nothing. It's very nice.
I'll give you some iron.
Give me. Give me right now.
Why is everyone frozen? Oh, no.
That's because we're game from the crash.
Alright, I'll give y'all a 10-minute warning.
Them too. I need more time. I need more time to replenish.
Replenish what?
I don't know stuff.
Get some leather because it's.
I need some leather.
We'll try to.
All right, fine.
I got 15 leather. I'll give it to you for 5 pieces of iron.
That is a good deal.
What the fudge? I was.
No, you
Well,
gotta
I'll
go to
give
my
you.
house.
I'll give you stuff.
I'm reorganized. I'm in my shed.
Going once, going twice.
Alright, Trey,
Cody,
don't steal this.
You want
now.
your basement in any certain style?
Is that 5? I didn't count.
I
Yeah,
need
that's
an
fine.
anvil.
16. How much?
Mr. Shady deal back.
Who got it for
Cody, I'll give you 7 leather.
Pieces of iron if I
Oh,
have your
listen,
stuff.
Cody. What?
Ow!
What, Trey? He betrayed him.
Cody, I'll make the deal.
Trey, where are you?
I'll give you some iron.
Trey
for
got
the leather.
destroyed.
Come up here, then. Come get it.
Trey, you must be punished. Where are you?
Come here. Ah!
Uh,
All right, we're going to put it in this chest. All right.
Okay,
That
put
would
your
be
leather
if-
in there.
Okay, on
Someone's like, Trey, what are
3.
your final words? He'd be like,
Nah,
One.
Come on, just put it in there.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay, now I put mine in here.
oh, hold on, you.
Ah,
I'll be right
fuck,
back.
I was just about to grab my crap back. There, take care, bye.
someone's at my
You're on
door.
Nintendo,
You know,
that's
it's
like
gotta
5
be
years. I'm
bedroom
on mouse, I
door.
can just snatch it.
Just like that.
Alright, There, Theo's mad. You know, leave me alone.
Cody, do you want your basement in any style?
Hmm?
Do you want your basement in any particular style?
No, I need enough room to make an enchantment room. Big old room with bookshelves and enchantment tables.
Oh. I do that.
Yeah, I did all that work.
M1, what kind of wood did you use for my treehouse?
It's the new wood. The old.
Is it the pink? Is it the pink wood or no?
No, it's not. It's like the new biome.
Oh, is that the
Whatever
dead?
it's
The dead?
called.
What? The dead thing?
Hell, God.
And Trey's been like, place, what's your name, pal?
I thought I didn't know that was the actual name. I thought it was just pale. Like
There's
yeah,
a price,
it's pale.
guys, I know what it is.
He's like, I don't know what
What's it called? I can't figure it out. Tries to play. Guys, I think I might know.
Guys, please.
Frank, get out of here.
Sounded like he was just murdered in cold
I saw
blood.
your boat and I felt it. It hurt.
You
Bad.
gotta make
Down
this
on
tomato
somebody,
bigger.
man.
Shot me and killed me. I had half a heart.
I didn't know you had half a
I
heart.
was being irresponsible and shooting my bow in the air, waiting for it to hit someone.
Sounds like you need to go to court.
All right, for your inaugural Judge Maxwell. You may be seated.
This is family court, so the judge can change.
Oh dear. Nookums, can we like
How?
we need to do like a lost and found thing where we can get rid of a bunch of junk and you'll give us like a little bit of cash back for it.
I like that.
Have a bunch of garbage. Like maybe you could give us like a few pieces of iron or something.
You can't get rid of the iron.
No, I don't want to pay with iron. I have a bunch of garbage I want to get rid of. I've either got to throw it off the cliff and hope it despawns, or I can just jump in the scrimshaw.
You card.
Cheeks over here. Get it. Everyone back it up. No, literally. Get back in. Come on.
What are you guys doing
And a
over there?
bull. Trying to get the cows back in the pen.
Jump down. Jump down. Jump up and up and get down. Alright, guess how much bush I have acquired?
What?
Guess how
So,
much
I just thought of something I should have added. I was gonna put it back, but I forgot.
I have acquired 55 bush.
Okay.
Bushes.
I need more. Why is it?
Yes,
why
the
do
stuff
you
that
need
grows in the ground.
Who shot me with an arrow?
It was Trey. He just tried to shoot me. I saw it from my balcony.
Shot Murray.
You shot the wrong man, and now I must kill you and your family. I forgot to jump.
Like when it kills Cody, is that what you mean? Like that, in fact?
I think it's the turd.
I got so much junk.
Yeah, urban too. I'd give you a basement to your shack.
Shank, can I have a basement?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
have
but you
room
have to
for
pay
it.
extra
That wouldn't
for
be bad.
that.
I could use a basement. I got run out of room up here.
Is
You
he
put a
like
crafting
free
table
basement?
somewhere.
No, he just got a house upgrade. Don't fool.
Don't poo. That's a lot of, that's a lot of, that's a lot of you.
We got 13 bookshelves. You think that's enough?
No, you need
I'm
at
gonna
least
take
at
this
least 20.
out. Wait, are these planks or are these actually blocks? They're blocks. I'm gonna take this one right here out, and I'm gonna put a crafting table on the floor, so don't mind
It's
that.
fine. You can change it however you want.
Oh, there.
Don't mind Trey. He just had a stroke.
What'd you do? What'd you break? What'd you do?
Alright,
Get
5
rid of it.
minutes.
No, not 5 minutes. I need more time.
You're out of time, boy.
I am. Well, it's rabbit season. Rabbit season. Now fire! Now! Whoa!
Where'd these
No.
bookshelves come from?
You're welcome.
It's a work in progress, Cody. I had to stop.
At least do these shelves come free with the upgrade? I hope
They
not.
do.
Yes!
My ears.
This is a little too enthusiastic.
I need some stuff. I might need to go on an adventure next time we play. I need some sand.
I'm gonna go on an
Oh,
adventure
yeah.
with Trey can help with that.
Oh, and one, it's hard to make multiple portal possibly.
Right, I'm working on it.
This
Okay,
deck could-
do like this. Do you want this?
I'm not gonna make it.
I'm gonna guess that was just ensign. No.
You could always break off the sides.
Enchanting table. Okay, got one. No, it's just because they're small. That's just why they look like
They're small.
See, I've counted. No, I haven't. And it looks like everything's in order.
I'm counting on it.
Made progress, but not enough.
He does. It's quite nice.
No more. You guys are stupid.
I'm not stupid.
What is it, noise?
Where'd you go? Who's after?
It's retreat. I hear ringing. I hear it, guys.
Then M2, aren't you picking up the phone?
I don't know. I don't know why I wouldn't pick up this freaking phone.
M2, it could be the doctor's office. It's like, Mr. M2, we're trying to call you.
Are you just feeding my
Pick up the phone.
Let's work for me. And he escaped! He squeezed his big rear through the closed gate. Get your booty cheeks back in there. Trey, you're blocking him. Close it. Go away! No!
Oh,
No,
hey,
Deadly, you
fool.
showed up literally in the last 5 minutes.
Oh, hey, fool.
My brother.
Hello, my
I don't know if you understand English. Tyler, try to translate that.
I speak southern.
You're
No!
it's not exactly southern.
Well, I'm part southern, man.
No!
Oh, hey there.
My
Hey there,
Minecraft
fool. How you
crashed.
doing?
Oh wait, did M2 cut the world off, or did it actually crash?
Oh, no, but this is the perfect time to cut the world off.
Oh!
I just
Mr.
thought
left my
it.
cow gate open.
I did not! You
Wait,
hit it
the-
last!
Roam
Space
free.
Marine.
If only Hunter wasn't creative, he would build an arena in like a day.
Wait, I bet Deadly tried to join. And whenever he joins, it normally bumps people out.
Yeah. You
I don't know
know,
what he said.
Yes, Deadly
I
said,
did
am
not
I a
call
bad
you
luck
anything.
charm?
sorry, sir. You can't fit in that server.
Deadly takes up 3 spots. Dude.
Are you trying to say I'm big bone?
Oh,
Wow, big bone, thank you very much. And as a matter of fact, I take 2 spots. Yes.